Hello, my students. Welcome you all in this session of brief course Standard 10 Subject English. Let's learn competency number 7. Communicate pleasure, appreciation, and support politely. Let's learn activity number 2. Communicates pleasure, appreciation, and support politely. Here there are some instructions for teachers, parents, and facilitators. Explain the nature of activity. Encourage the learners. Parents give the additional information. Here there are some instructions for you as students. You have to read the following dialogue carefully and take the help of your parents and teachers if necessary. Take active participation also. Now let's learn this learning activity. The activity is read the following dialogue carefully to find out the appreciation. In this dialogue, here there are two persons, mother and her son, who are communicating. Here mother says, "Hello dear, what are you writing every day?" Son says, "Mother, please see my notes." Then mother says, "Okay, show me." "Hey, these are the notes." Son says, "Yes, I have prepared as my own." Then mother says, "Oh, really brave." Son says, "Thanks, mom. See my key points on each topic." Then finally, the mother says, "Wow, very nice." After this dialogue, there are some questions I would like to ask you. First question is, what do you see in this dialogue? And second is it an appreciation or threatening? Okay, I think if you answered the first question, that is what do you see in this dialogue, you may answer this question in this way, that here we see this is the dialogue between mother and her son. The son has prepared his own notes, and mother is saying something good or appreciating her own son's writings. Then second question is it an appreciation or threatening? Your answer may be an appreciation, because here mother is appreciating her son's notes or writings. Now look at the screen, you will find a solved activity or a demo activity. Now look at the screen. You are for the practice, there is a dialogue. It is incomplete. Read it carefully and complete this dialogue. First of all, what is this dialogue about? You have to understand and read the beginning of this dialogue, and then you have to develop this. Here, an extension activity or parallel activity is given, that is also very important. You are asked in the board exam, prepare the dialogue from the following jumble sentences to find out support and appreciation. Such 4 sentences are given. Some sentences may be questions, some may be the statements. While you are writing such type of dialogue, you have to put the sentences in proper order and complete that dialogue. In this way, you have to face the board exam. In SSC board exam, you have question number 5B in that activity sheet, that is B1 for dialogue writing. In that, A, B, C such activities are given. A is for put the sentences in proper order to prepare a meaningful dialogue. In that, such that we have seen jumbled sentences are given, you are asked to put them in proper order. And in B, second one, complete the dialogue. Some two questions are given and you are asked to write their answers, and particularly they are from the chit chat activity of your course book. Then third one activity, write a dialogue of minimum 6 meaningful sentences on the given topic. You are asked to develop the dialogue. Okay, you should know the dialogue writing is a skill, and I think from this activity you may have learned how to appreciate and encourage each other. Thank you.